We are pleased to recognize QK4 Inc. with the Founders Honors for their project, Going Digital Survey with Bridging Kentucky. The Bridging Kentucky program set out to inspect, document, and initiate rehabilitation or replacement of 1,000 deficient bridges across the state within a seemingly impossible 6-year deadline. The project's magnitude necessitated a departure from traditional methods to find efficiencies at every step, starting with surveying. The Bridging Kentucky survey team, led by QK4, an engineering services firm headquartered in Louisville, Kentucky, was determined to advance land surveys for this mega project and become early adopters of OpenRoads Designer models. The field survey crews were trained in intelligent coding to create digital terrain model features at the point of collection. Drones and 3D laser scanners captured contextual and unique features in high-resolution digital point clouds. Survey control, underground utility information, and right-of-way locations were all established in the combined 3D existing condition survey model. The bridge engineers were not satisfied with mesh site maps that had incomplete context. They wanted accurate survey points shot with intelligence and combined 3D features. Their confidence in the substructure, deck, creek, and underground utilities had to come from boots on the ground. The advantage of modeling in OpenRoads Designer comes by integrating all survey data into one intelligent 3D model, not just a mesh. In the beginning, the team started with 10 surveys per month, then moved to 20. Learning each other's strengths and training on software and processes, the team gained momentum with every bridge. Within 8 months, the QK4 survey team became so proficient that they could now survey 50 bridges in 1 month. The survey team realized an almost 90% reduction in survey time. Though QK4 added and trained extra capacity in the field and office, they reduced the cost of surveying by 50%. Bridging Kentucky spent $3.5 million in survey services for the overall project alone, but that cost would have doubled without going digital with OpenRoads Designer. The bottom line, QK4 saved more than $3 million for Kentucky taxpayers in survey work alone. Congratulations to QK4 on their Founders Honor for 2024.